Everyone stay at home. That's the order we've been told. Well, I'm forced to stay at home with the beast in this cave. Interesting times. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And what an exciting times we live in when the world seems to be put on pause and people are trying to work from home or figure things out to do at home. Well, I'm one of those essential people that still need to go to work, but on my days off, I'm at home. So I've had something I've been wanting to do to the Hellcat for a while, and I've been putting it off. But now's the time to get caught up on those little projects that we've been putting off. So I do have a problem, however, and so this is kind of one of those, I'm in a dilemma and I need your help or advice per se, that kind of a video. So I'm really gonna need the help of you, the viewers, the subscribers, the awesome YouTube world out there to pitch in and tell me how I can fix this problem. Now let me explain what problem I have. So something I've been wanting to do for a long time is to put the oil catch can that I had in my RT charger in the Hellcat. And as you can see, it's a beautiful color match, and I'm glad I went with the anodized red. Huge shout out to Billet Tech. So I did get the conversion kit delivered prior to this whole shutdown of warehouses and factories. So I'm blessed to have everything I need. The issue I have is the L brackets here. These little fittings, because of the way the brackets are made, it needs to be brought that way. It needs to be brought back 180 degrees to face in that direction based on the brackets. So this is the Z bracket that I took off of the 5.7 liter, and the one that comes with the Hellcat conversion is I had to pay to get this one anodized in red as well. It's a straight bracket. So let me explain how the conversion kit works and why this needs to be reversed. So as you can see here, the way that the straight bracket works is there's only room to put the catch can this way. There is zero room to have it go that way, as it was able to do on the other charger. Actually, the RT, it was further here, so the hoses were able to run and plug in that way. But in this case, the hoses are going to come this way. But the only way to mount the catch can is that way, which means these fittings have to be twisted. The problem is that they are in there really tight. And as you can see from some of the evidence there, I've tried to twist them around. I've even gone as far as putting some lubricant there just to see if I can cut the torque, just to have it break loose. I took it into the auto shop that did my exhaust and another auto shop to see if they had one of those clamps, and they did. They hooked it up to the clamp, and they don't want to mess with it. I mean, just looking at it, it looks expensive, so they didn't want to risk like liability of actually trying to do it. So I did it, and I was still unable to break this tension just from the torque that it's there. So my question to you is it possible to turn these around counterclockwise 180 degrees and still have enough tension where it stays put? Or are these designed to just remain like this and they're not made to be turned? Now, I did reach out to Workplay Drive, who had a video on his channel on the install, shout out to him, of getting these reversed, and he told me it took a while, but he was able to cork his. The other option I was going to do was see if I could use the Z bracket from the 5.7 kit and see if that would help. But it falls under the same problem. Let me show you why. So this one only uses the small screw at the top, which is fine. That's not the problem. It's just the bottom here is still putting me in the same position where there is zero room to secure the catch can needs to still go like that to be properly secured. So I wish there was a way to just kind of go straight in this way without intruding on the hood. I'm still trying to figure that out. But anyway, that's why I'm kind of making this video today, to see if you folks know. Leave a comment in the comment section below of if you've had to unscrew these, loosen them, what's the best way to do it without causing any damage. This was expensive. It was almost $300 just to get the catch can in the anodized red, and I did call Billet Tech. They did say I'm able to still use it. It's just having to loosen it. So according to them, it's able to be made loose. I just don't want to cause any damage. So go ahead, leave a comment below. Let me know if you can think of any resolutions to help rectify this, any solutions that I could use. These are the two brackets that I have. Unfortunately, they're both made to just have it mounted this way, but the hoses that's going to be routed in there, which comes from under here, it doesn't have enough slack to wrap around the front there. So anyway, go ahead, leave a comment below if you like this video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I just thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.